Welcome to the Course Care Self-Training Video Series for Enhanced InSite, Creating a Master Class. This training video will walk you through the process of creating a master class and creating sections and assigning TAs. If sections of your class are taught by other instructors or teaching assistants, you may create a top-level master class with related sections. From a master class, you may choose to set up all sections for other instructors or their TAs. You may also let the instructors and TAs manage their own classes either on their own or by using guidelines created by the master class instructor. To create a master class, first select the Add a Class button from your instructor homepage. Select Master Class from the Class Type drop-down menu. Enter your master class name and select a TA join password. This is the password your TAs will use to join your classes and set up their sections. When finished, click Submit to add the master class to your homepage. A confirmation pop-up window will appear containing the class ID and TA join password. There are two ways to add sections to your class. You may manually set up all of your sections and enter TA information for each section, or you may distribute the class ID and TA join password to let your TAs join your class and set up the sections themselves. The class ID and TA join password are included in the confirmation pop-up window. You may also retrieve this information from the instructor homepage. The class ID is listed next to the master class, and you may also access your TA join password by selecting the edit icon next to the class name. To allow the TAs to join your class and set up their own sections, distribute that class ID and TA join password to your teaching assistants. Once the TAs have that information, they may log in to their Enhanced InSite accounts and join your class by selecting the Join Account TA tab. The TA will then enter the class ID and join password. The TA may then create their own section, and that section will appear on your instructor homepage. If you would prefer to create the sections yourself, you may do so by selecting the Add Section link next to the master class name on the instructor homepage. Enter your TA's first name, last name, and email address. If you do not have a TA, enter your own information. Click Submit. Next, enter the section name and section enrollment password. You will need to distribute the section enrollment password to your students. When finished, click Submit. A pop-up window will appear containing the class ID and enrollment password for the section. You will need to distribute the class ID and enrollment password to the students who need to join that section. You may retrieve the class ID and enrollment password information from the instructor homepage. The class ID is listed next to the section name, and you may retrieve the password by selecting the edit icon next to the section. Thank you for reviewing this training video. Additional training resources may be accessed through the Enhanced InSite Course Care page. Resources include live and archived online training seminars, self-training videos, user documentation, and first day of class resources for students.